Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Hub. I am your instructor Dr. Rabia. My today's topic of discussion is trichomes. In this image you can see a hair-like structure that is called trichome. A trichome is a Greek word which means hair. It is an outgrowth or the appendages that emerge from the epidermis of the plant. It may also present in the algae, lichens and other certain protists. They are of diverse structure and function. It means there is a diversity in their structure and in functions. They play different functions for the different parts of the plants for the different environment. These may be singular or multicellular. So the trichomes either exist in a singular form or they may present in a multicellular form. Regarding their structure and shapes, they are of different types: hair trichomes, glandular trichomes, papilla-like trichomes, and the scale-like trichomes. If we talk about their diversity in the species, then according to their size, form, density, and location of hairs on plants, they are extremely variable in their presence across species and even within a species on different plant organs. They may be present on the stem, they may be present on the sepals, they may be present on the carpels. So there is a diversity regarding their size, form and density. In this diagram, as the blue arrow indicating white hair-like structure on the stem of the tomato plant. These are the glandular trichomes that are present in tomato plants. Let me show you the electronic view of a trichome. This is the electronic view of the trichome. So we can see that from the epidermis the hair-like structures are emerging. These hair-like structures are the trichomes. From the glandular trichomes, a chemical-like substance is produced that prevent the insects from reaching and feeding on the leaf. So these are the weapons for the plants that protects the plant from the attack of the insects or any other small prey. This image showing you a single trichomes, a unicellular trichome. These are the branched trichomes or the multicellular trichomes, and these are the stellate trichomes. Stellate trichomes are those trichomes that are of star shape. So any shape that looks like star is called the stellate. So the trichomes that are in star shape are the stellate trichomes. So you can see that how many varieties there. They may be in single form, they may be in the branch form, or they may be like stellate. This is the electronic view of the epidermis of a plant that showing two types of trichomes. The first one is a trichome without a glandular tip. It means that no glandular or the glandular secretions are present in this trichome. These are the hair-like trichomes without any tip or the glandular tip. The second one is the trichome that is with glandular tip. It means that they have a glandular secretions or the sticky secretions. In begonia plant, the epidermal cells are covered with the trichomes that make the striking patterns on the leaves and the stem of the begonia leaf. Trichomes also helps to shade the leaf for native plants to hot or the arid climates. It means that it gives protection against the sun or it shades the leaf when they are present in a climate that is very much hot or in where the temperature is very high or in the arid climates. Trichomes may also have different types of secondary chemical products, means secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites are very useful products. Sometimes they are very useful in the sense that they give different fragrances or the flavors, as in mints. In urtica plant or the stinging nettles plant, a specific trichomes are present. These trichomes contain irritants that cause rashes in people. How they cause rashes in people? These trichomes inject irritating chemicals into the skin when someone touches the surface of the plant or a leaf or the stem. So after touching, they cause a sting. It's mean a biting of some insects. So it is called the stinging nettles. So here they are also very defensive for the plants because it defends the plant against any other external stimuli that may be of any human or maybe due to the animals or maybe due to the insects, because it causes stinging by injecting the irritating chemicals into the skin. In kalanchoe plants or the kalanchoe plants, the whole surface of the leaf is covered with the trichomes. It also shades the leaf and make it more adapted to a hotter and a drier climate. In olive trees, scale-like or the peltate trichomes are present that often overlap and gives like a appearance of a scale or a peltate. These leaf trichomes prevent evaporative water loss during dry or windy conditions. It means that it lowers the rate of evaporation in those plants that are adapted to the hot climate or where the temperature is very much high. These are the trichomes that are present in the sundew or the Drosera plant. These are of very much important features because the upper surface of the leaf is covered with flexible gland-tipped trichomes, mean the glandular trichomes. The whole surface is covered with the glandular trichomes, as you can see that the arrow indicating that the insects are there, and the hair-like structure with glandular tips are the trichomes. They produce certain sticky substances to attract the and trap the insects and other small prey. Trapped prey are engulfed in a web of the sticky glands that are also called the tentacles. Then the process of digestion starts by the action of the enzymes. After digestion, the leaf unfurls or opens to reset the trap. The trichomes of Tradescantia are also very much important because they are very much attractive. There are number of trichomes, about 10 to 30 large cells that are connected end to end present in the stamen hairs of the trichomes. In Tradescantia, there are streaming movement that can be easily observed in these trichomes. So let me conclude that trichomes are the hair-like structures. It is a Greek word which means hair. These are the appendages or the outgrowths. They are of various types and varied in function. They are used as a taxonomy characteristics to identify the different species of the plants. Their numbers varies from plant to plant and organ to organ in a different parts of the plants. They help to shade the plants. They help the plant to protect themselves against the attack of insects. They also lower the rate of evaporation. So these are about the trichomes. This is all about the trichomes. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. press the bell button, and don't forget to like and share my video. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.